Hello students, today we'll continue with the same exercise, that is 3.1 and question number 6, C part. This is the sum given to you and you are supposed to calculate the values of these angle x. Now see beta, this is a polygon and can we name this polygon? How many sides are there of this polygon? We can count 1, 2, this is also one of the side, this 3, 4 and 5. So it is a 5-sided polygon and it can be called as a pentagon. Now these angles 30x and x, these are interior angles, whereas the 70 and 60, they are not in the interior, they are outside the figure, so they are exterior part. So now before that I need to calculate these two angles, angle 1 and this one, angle 2. Now how to calculate angle 1? Now 1 plus 70, they are adjacent angles and they lie on a straight line. So they are making a linear pair. Similarly, angle 2 and 60 degree, they are also making linear pair. So first of all I will calculate angle 1. Angle 1 plus 70 degree, it's equal to 180 degree and the reason is linear pair. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 70 and that comes out to be 110. Now same way calculate angle 2, leave one line and then write angle 2 plus 60, that's equal to 180 degree. The reason is again linear pair. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 60 degree and angle 2 is equal to 120 degree. So you have calculated angle 1, angle 2 and you know these angles. Now these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So what is the sum of these 5 angles? That is the sum of interior angles of a pentagon. What is the sum of interior angles? I think so till now we know the formula. What was the formula to calculate the sum of interior angles? The formula was n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is number of sides. So in this case number of side is 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180, that gives you 3 into 180 degree. So the sum of interior angle comes out to be 540 degree. So according to question, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus x plus 30 degree plus x, and after x it will come angle 1. So we started with angle 1 only and we have reached. So their sum is equal to 540 degree. The reason is this is ASP of a pentagon. Put the values of angle 1 and 2. It was 110 plus 120 plus x plus x. When they are added, variables are added, it is 2x degree plus 30 degree and it's equal to 540. So 30 plus 120 plus 110, that is going to give you 260 degree plus 2x degree, it's equal to 540 degree. So 2x degree is equal to 540 minus 260, that comes out to be 280. So x is equal to 280 by 2 and that's equal to 140 degree. So the measure of x degree, x was asked, so measure of x is equal to 140 degree. Then the D part, this is the figure given to you. Now you can see in the figure that it's mentioned that all sides are equal. Now again it's a pentagon because it has 5 sides and all 5 sides are equal. So it's a regular pentagon. Now if it is a regular pentagon and one of the angle is given to you as x, so we can say that this angle is also x, this one is also x, this one is also x and this one is also x. So it's a regular pentagon, it is observed, measure of each angle is equal to x. Now what should be the sum of all these 5 angles? By the angle sum property we can calculate, the formula was n minus 2 into 180, n is equal to 5. So in the last part also we calculated the same way. So the answer comes out to be 540. So according to question, x degree plus x plus x plus x plus x 5 times, because all 5 angles are of equal measure, is equal to 540, and on calculating we get that x is equal to 108 degree. So measure of each angle. So measure of each angle is 108 degree. In question number 7, first part, this is the figure and we are supposed to find out the sum of angle x plus y plus z. Now see beta, you can observe that this angle x is outside, this z is also outside, and this y is also outside. Now x plus 90, they are making linear pair, so you can calculate this by linear pair. Similarly, this can be calculated by linear pair. So how can we calculate y now? There is no, this angle is not there. So you can give it as name as angle. It can be calculated in two ways. So if you give it as angle 1, now 1 plus 90 plus 30, interior angles, that is ASP of a triangle. First of all, you calculate angle 1 and then you can calculate by linear pair. One method is this. The second method is that you have studied in 7th standard also, that if this is exterior angle, this exterior angle is always equal to sum of opposite interior angle. अब इसके opposite, ये तो इसके साथ adjacent है, अब इसके opposite and that also interior. So it means y is always equal to 90 plus 30. So whatever you find easy, you can go by that. Now I am calculating first of all angle 1. Now angle 1 plus 30 plus 90, that's equal to 180 degree. The reason is it's ASP of a triangle. So angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 120 and it comes out to be 60 degree. I have calculated angle 1 as 60 degree. Now what is the measure of y? So angle 1 plus y, it's equal to again 180 because they are making straight line. They are forming a pair of, they are forming linear pair. So now angle 1 you have calculated, put the values. 60 plus y is equal to 180 and y is equal to 180 minus 60, that comes out to be 120. Similarly, you will be calculating this other angles. So x plus 90 is also equal to 180 degree and x, the reason is same, linear pair. So x comes out to be 90 degree. Similarly, calculate for z. Z plus 30 degree is also equal to 180 degree, that's linear pair, and z comes out to be 180 minus 30 degree, that's equal to 150 degree. So you have calculated x, y and z. This angle 1 was calculated in order to calculate angle y. We did not, sometimes we don't need to calculate angle 1 if you are using the exterior angle property. In that case, directly also you can calculate angle y. So it completely depends on you, which method you follow. Now we were supposed to calculate the sum of these angles. So now x plus y plus z, it's equal to what? The value of x. बेटा first x है तो आप x की ही value रखोगे. So x was coming 90 degree. So 90 degree plus y was 120 and z was 150. And their sum comes out to be, if you add them, it's 360 degree. Yes beta, the second part, B part, it's given, this is the figure given to you and you have to find out x plus y plus z plus w. Now it's exterior, this is also exterior, this is also exterior and this one is also exterior. And 3 interior angles are given to you. So we need to calculate this fourth interior angle by ASP of quadrilateral. Let this be angle 1. If we are using angle 1, it must be mentioned in the figure also. You can take any other variable also. You can take A, B, C, that's all up to you. So angle 1 plus 120 degree plus 80 plus 60. I am talking about interior angles. This, this, this and this. Now their sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. This you have done by activity also. So this is ASP of a quadrilateral. And by this you will be calculating angle 1 comes out to be 360 minus 260. So angle 1 is equal to 100 degree. Now angle 1 is calculated. Now can you calculate x? Same in the last part we have calculated. Now x plus 120 is equal to 180. They are making linear pair. So you can calculate x. X plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair. And calculate the value of x. Similarly, you will be calculating y plus 80. Similarly, z plus 60 and then 1 plus w. 1 was already calculated, so you will put the values, that is 100 plus w. Now all 4 are calculated and at last you will add them and find the answer.